Alright guys, welcome to my very first Kenworth video. What we have right here is a 2016 W-9. She's got 308,000 miles on it. Set up for platform work. Got an ISX 15 in it. I believe it's about 550 horse, 1850 torque, 18 speed, 336 rears, sitting on 24 5s. Comes complete with a headache rack. We got gonna put 4 new tires to match these back tires on that first axle up here. She's done. 3 axle drum brakes, 4 airbag system on this one. APU, Studio sleeper. She is fresh out of the detail shop. Got a fresh DOT and she is ready to go to work. We'll shoot some inside footage here for you and show you the engine compartment. It's a nice clean truck. She'll make someone a nice ride for sure. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. Got good Michelin steers. We'll put it, like I said, we'll get you 4 new Michelin drives up here on the front axle to match the back. Should be ready to go to work. Here we go. So we got 308,977 miles on it. Comes with the Kenworth Smart Nav, and she's fully loaded. Got the VIT interior. See if we can get some lights on back here in the back. I don't know how to turn all those on yet. So it has the couch. It's a little dark in here, isn't it? Studio sleeper. I took this. It has a memory foam mattress here. I took that up to get the couch set up just to show you. But it is a double bunk. There is the APU's brain system. There's the controller. So truck does have the fridge here. See there? Built-in fridge, closets, all your normal. It's a really nice truck, ready to go to work. So I don't know how to turn these lights on. Hold on a second. Here's the control panels for everything. And this truck is gonna make someone a beauty. Love it. I think I'll just kick my feet up and hang out right here. Of course, got all the curtains up there, the windows. Nice sound system. Look at the room, man. I'm just stretched out back here on the couch. Can't even reach. This is the life right here. This is home away from home. Very nice. Let's go show you the power plant here. All right, so this is a ISX 15, 550 horse, 1850 torque, 18 speed. Like I said, she is ready to go. Nice clean truck. So who wants to be my first customer? You guys interested? Give me a call here at MHC Kenworth. We'll have the phone number and email link here in the description.